Hello, my name is Jonathan Bisnet, and today I have a circuit for you that actually uses some lasers and phototransistors to send a binary value between one circuit and another. So you'll see right here, I've got 4 lasers and here's 4 phototransistors. They're fairly closely lined up so that they will talk to each other effectively. So just to give you a quick demonstration here, I've got a thumb switch here, so as I turn it, you'll notice the first laser goes on and I've got a 1 on my display, second laser, binary 2, got a 2 display, etc., 3, 4, etc. Not too bad a circuit. The most difficult part actually on this circuit was getting the lasers to stay lined up with the phototransistors. And in this case the phototransistors are like a TIL 99. What I do is I'm using a 5-volt source here that's powering all the rails on the board. Coming off the 5-volt source here, I have a series of current sources that are driving the 4 lasers, so there's one for each one of them. And the current sources are fed into a series of MOSFETs that are triggered, their gate is triggered by this thumb switch, so that controls whether the current source actually gets to the laser and powers the laser. This side is a relatively simple circuit, just phototransistors that are biased and then drop into a 74 LSO4 inverter, and then finally into a 7448 BCD to 7-segment decoder. So not a terribly complicated circuit. It was kind of interesting to build. And what I'll do is show you the schematic for it here, in case you're interested in doing something like this. So as we look at the schematic, and what you'll see is near the top, I've got the current sources. Basically some simple PNP transistors. Use a couple of diode drops to bias the base down below. And then you'll see I have, besides the 22 ohm resistor, I have a 100 ohm potentiometer in there that I can then control the I can control the current itself, how much of it is going through, therefore how bright the laser will be. And the output of that PNP transistor then goes into the MOSFETs I was telling you about. These are P-channel MOSFETs, and they're basically set so that the transistor, the current from the transistor going through them will actually light the lasers, which you'll see right below them. They're 650 nanometer lasers. They're actually very inexpensive, just red laser pointer type lasers. And then right next to each of those is the TIL 99, the phototransistor. And as you can see, those are all run into the inverter, and then from there into the BCD to 7-segment decoder. So fairly simple circuit, but it was kind of interesting to see how well the lasers worked with the phototransistors. I'm still working on actually putting a laser into an LED itself and exciting some type of current, but this was a first step just to kind of get something working with them. I hope you find this interesting, and go ahead and build the circuit if you're so inclined. It's actually kind of interesting to see it work. So thank you for watching.